Wait, you think you eat a lot? But first, subscribe to my channel for more animal facts. The largest land animal on Earth is the African bush elephant. It can weigh up to 14,000 pounds. That's about 6 tons. That's like carrying a whole truck and still asking for snacks. Next, the white rhinoceros, the biggest rhino species, with males reaching up to 4.5 tons. Thick skin, huge horn, and zero interest in your excuses. And meet the gaur, the largest wild cattle species. Bulls can weigh up to 1.2 tons, basically a cow that hit the gym hard.